In this video lecture, we learn the effect when we look at colors sequentially. Please look at the cross sign in the center for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you are watching 4 squares but in complementary colors from the previous squares. And now, the illusory squares are no more visible, right? When we look at different colors simultaneously, we experience the effect of a color contrast or color assimilation. When you look at different colors sequentially, we experience an optical illusion. This optical illusion is called as afterimage. An afterimage, in general, is an optical illusion that refers to an image continuing to appear after exposure to the original image has ceased. Prolonged viewing of the color induces an afterimage of the complementary color. The afterimage are caused when the eye's photoreceptors, primarily cone cells, adapt from the overstimulation and lose sensitivity. By looking at this slide, some of your cone cells adapt from the overstimulation of red or green. In other words, those cone cells lose sensitivity of red or green respectively. Therefore, now very briefly, you are watching the illusory world afterimage in green against the red background. These colors are exactly the complementary colors of the red and green in the previous slide. In afterimage effect, this illusory color corresponds to the complementary color based on additive mixture. The complementary color based on additive mixture is computable if you subtract the spectral distribution of a color from white. Therefore, if you additively mix the illusory color with the original color, it will appear as white. And this is how the additive mixture works. On the contrary, in subtractive mixture, the complementary color is the color you make black if you mix it with the original color. Therefore, in color mixture, there are 2 ways. One is additive mixture, and the other is subtractive mixture. For instance, mixing lights corresponds to the additive mixture. But when you mix pigments, it corresponds to the subtractive mixture. In the operation room of a hospital, the surgical suits are usually in blue or in green. If we adapt the effect of afterimage to this color choice, it is quite simple why they are so. By looking at red for a while, their cone cells adapt from overstimulation of red and lose sensitivity for red consequently. If people were dressed in white, the white gowns would appear in a kind of greenish blue. So the color of surgical suits better be in blue or green to minimize the unpleasant color experience. In addition to this reason, there are a couple of more supportive reasons why the surgical suits should be in green-blue range. But the afterimage effect is one of the main considerations.